So this is exactly how I was able to get 60 FPS on my PlayStation 4. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings here on our PlayStation 4. And then you're going to scroll down here, keep scrolling down until you can see system. So click on system. Now the first setting here that you need to tick is this one, limit number of content items on home screen. This will make sure that everything that is running in the background that you don't really need on the home screen, it's going to actually be limited or even basically removed. So this is going to help you a lot, just so you know. And this one where it says enable HTTP. So if you have this one turned on, this can sometimes mess with your FPS as well, just so you know. So make sure to turn this one off. Sometimes just turning this one off will make a huge difference, just so you know. There is one more thing we need to do, and that is to scroll up here and then find accessibility. If you have this invert colors on here, make sure to turn this one off as well. This might sometimes cause a lot of problems as well if this one is turned on. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.